Oh, yeah. So, welcome to Sinai. We are excited to greet all tourists and guests of our city. But before you start actively enjoying Sinai, there is something important you should to know. So, when your phone start to vibrating and you receive warning messages, please don't ignore them, because otherwise something might happen.
Breaking news, there was a vicious bear attack in the Sinai forest. The girl that was attacked is laying behind me. I think she is not very good. Probably. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates.
So, don't be like Maria, or like me.